Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to backup your phone contacts to a particular Gmail ID. So, for to do that, we need just two simple steps. First thing is we need to download all the contacts on our phone to on our Google Contacts app to our phone. Then from our phone to we need to import or upload these contacts to a particular Gmail so that these contacts will be backed up there. I'll show you. For to do that, first you need to have Google Contacts app. See, if you don't have this app, you need to install this. I already have this app, so I'll just open this, and at top you will see three dots. Click on that and click on select. Remember, this is on the updated app or the updated version. So if you're not seeing this sort of UI interface, maybe you are using old version. So for to download all these 375 contacts selected, you need to click on the share symbol. So tap on that. So all the contacts are being exported, and this will download to our phone first as the first step. Okay. Okay, first what I'll do is I'll download it to Drive. Click on the Drive option and remember this VCF. Okay, I'll just rename it for my convenience. Uh, Tutorial to backup. I'll just name it. Click on save. Okay, just open Google Drive on your phone. Now from Google Drive, what I'll do is I'll just download this .vcf, all the exported contacts, to my phone first. Find that tutorial. See here, this one. Okay, click on the three dots and click on the download option. One item will be downloaded. See notification for details. So what I'll do is I'll open my file manager here on my phone, and under file manager download folder is this tutorial. See here, this is the tutorial to backup.vcf. So I have done the first part. Now the second part. For to do this, open Chrome or any browser on your mobile. Now the backing up process is I'm showing. Just browse through contact.google.com. When you're appearing here, just click stay on web. So we are using web version only. So here you need to click on this symbol. See here down, import symbol. Tap on that and select the file. What you need to do is import the file from your phone that we just downloaded. This one. Okay, you can click on import here. So all the contacts are backing up to this particular Gmail account. Remember, if you want to change the Gmail, you need to click on this top one and change the email here. As the process is going on, it is not showing, but you need to tap on this and first change your email to something so that all the downloaded or the exported contacts will back up to this particular Gmail account. So in this way, see here, import contacts. In this way we can back up phone contacts to a particular Gmail account. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.